Life is a journey with full of changes. Life without changes is just as boring. I'm always letting myself go with the flow and see what happens. I'm absolutely convinced that these changes are shaping who I am today. My journey starts in Nagasaki, where I spent 6 years during middle and high school. After getting into university, I took a year of exchange in New Zealand. The way people live their lives, how the time flows, everything was new to me. These experiences broadened my horizon and dramatically transformed the whole course of my life. The more I'm into the world, the further I want to dive, where nobody has ever reached. After that, I worked as a translator, but I couldn't do better. I met tons of people who speak multiple languages. I should also learn something new. Next destination was Taiwan, where I spent 3 months being crazy about Chinese culture. After coming back to Japan, I started working as an interpreter again, but this time is for the professional athletes. At that time, I encountered Latin dance called salsa, and I found it so interesting that eventually put me in Cuba for 3 months and dancing day and night. I learned to have a couple of tools to have connection with people now. So, what should I take for next? I gave it plenty of thoughts on the plane from Cuba. I thought that there would be a bright future lying ahead of me, until the global pandemic broke out and hit our lives. Like many others, COVID-19 deprived me of my job. But it was languages that helped me get a new job. I'm now working for a trading firm in Fukuoka. Though it's gonna take a little more time until I get fully convinced of my decision, I want to believe that this is the best thing I could do. I created my own YouTube channel to spread experiences that I have in almost 30 countries, as well as my personal view. So stop talking about if there was no corona kind of thing. Embrace it and go with it, because that's the only thing we can do.